mature roadway. There's a little bit of construction going on. I thought it was mostly complete, but it looks like there's still some tension here. Details.
For your safety, do not do business with solicitors. Anyone who asks if you need a ride should not be giving you one. Solicitation at LAX is prohibited. Thank you.
LAX People Mover East Station. Looks like it's pretty much finished. There's just some notices on the glass, some of the entryways. That's looking pretty much finished. And pedestrian walkway over here towards Terminal 1. Just a small little segment there, needing some attention. With some scaffold. But going across the way over by 6 and 7 looks like it's pretty well completed. And over on this side, there's a little section here still to go.
The curbside is for immediate loading and unloading.
So many annoying shuttles out today. You've got Holiday Inn, you've got the Marriott, all these hotels to where eventually you'll just take the People Mover train probably from the hotel, short distance, maybe to one of the ITF stations, get here, probably 5 to 10 minutes depending on what part of Central Terminal you are scheduled to depart from. It's October and it's, late October and it's still pretty busy here before we get into the crazy travel season like Thanksgiving later in November. But another look back here at the East Station. Looks pretty much deserted because I don't think it needs any further attention. Looks like they're doing something along the railways. Get that electrified, start testing some of the cars, and we'll be in business here shortly, about a year from now. Out here, the Central Station, it's looking pretty good as well. There's a little bit of scaffolding over here to the right, but well on its way to being complete. Probably a few more months. Communication tower. Alright, the next pedestrian walkway here between 2 and 3, and they have somebody inside one of the walkways. Some interior work, I guess. West Station now, it's starting to look a little bit cleaner, more finished. You see these glossy exteriors. Over here at the West Station, Oh wow, looks like there's some more skylights. So there's gonna be 2 on each side here. So like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Wow. Wow, this looks really cool in person. I'm sure it won't look as good on a YouTube video, but it's pretty massive once you get here in person and see it. I'm gonna guess the West Station's still maybe a few, 3, 4, 5 months away from being completed, so maybe later in the winter to late winter, early spring maybe. We'll see. Hopefully they prove me wrong. And we look over here at the Central Station, which is right next door to Air Traffic Control Tower. I think these guys are doing something near the railway guideway. And then down below the pedestrian walkway, you can see some workers inside there working on something on the inside. Quite a few. Generally when I'm here, I don't typically see people working inside here. I just come at the wrong time or whatever, but today I was lucky, I guess. Still have the sheathing and scaffolding here on this face, the West Station, which will face toward Tom Bradley. But once this is finished off with this and that, it's going to be quite a view from World Way. Now the other side of the West Station, it is bright. If you come out here, you better have your sunglasses on. The sun really reflects the white exteriors. Very happy here with the progress on the West Station. This glass has been in for quite some time, but you can see there's still exterior work to go here. Some of the sheathing, and then remains to be seen what this side is, if it's going to be sealed up like this, or are you going to have some side windows. I'll have to check the renderings, but I don't quite know off the top of my head. I don't quite remember. But we'll see that happen probably in the next couple of trips out here, hopefully. The future roadway is over by Terminal 4. You see how it transitions here. I don't know what's going on, but over at the theme building, it looks like they're tearing it up again, all that landscaping that I thought they had put in. But I can't walk by there anymore. They've got it all fenced off, and they're tearing up some dirt over there, so not sure what's going on.